Here are my top 3 takeaways from my tour at Marquee at Block 37. Number 3 is where it got its namesake, Marquee. We are right in the middle of the theater district. There are 4 major theaters right here. Looking out your windows, having those sparkling marquees and bright lights all around just brings this energy. My number 2 takeaway from Marquee is the amount of space. Every room I walked into, I just couldn't believe how much space there was. The units themselves were incredibly spacious and well laid out. Everything here is big. And the number 1 takeaway I have is Block 37. It's attached to so many things. You have a 4-story mall, an AMC theater. You connect to the Padway, and you can connect to the CTA. All of this you can do without going outside, and when it's winter, that is #goals.